Today we're going to be talking about writing a properly formatted MLA Works Cited page. First, you're going to start by setting Times New Roman font, size 12, and double spacing. Then you're going to put your cursor on the page and write Works Cited. You got to make sure to center that in your page. Next, you're going to want to go to the next line. Make sure you're left justified. You're going to start by typing the author's last name, comma, first name, and then a comma at the end. And then you're going to put the title of the article in quotation marks. Make sure the title of the article is exactly the same as it has on the website. And then you're going to want to put a period at the end of it before the quotation mark. Next, you're going to want to put the container of the article, which is the magazine or book you found it in, and you're going to want to put that in italics with a comma at the end. And then next, you can put the volume number. You can put that as VOL dot and then the number. You're going to put a comma after that, and then you put the publication date as the day, then the month, and then the year. And you can put a comma after that as well. Next, you can put the page number as PP period and then the page numbers you used. Put a comma at the end and then include the link to the article that you used if it was on a website. After you do this, put a period at the end and write down the date you accessed this piece of information by saying accessed and then the same format as before, the day, then the month, and then the year, and put a period at the end. Then make sure everything is in Times New Roman font. You're going to set your cursor at the beginning of your citation, go up to Format, Align and Indent, Indentation Options, set it to Hanging. Make sure your margins are at 0.5 and apply. That's how you do a properly formatted MLA citation on Google Docs. Now I'll show you to do it on Microsoft Word.
When using a Word doc, start by highlighting the citations you want indented. Right-click on it and press Paragraph. Another way to get here is to press the small arrow on the bottom right corner of the Paragraph tab on the toolbar. Under the first tab, which says Indents and Spacing, press the options under the special arrow and select Hanging. After that, the lines will have the hanging indent and the margins can be changed if needed. Nothing else needs to be messed with on this page. After you're all done, press OK. Lastly, check each citation to make sure it has the correct indentation and that none were missed.